Hi, my name is Julie. I am 43 years old. I am the mother of four. Our youngest is 21. Our oldest is 36. I have two grandchildren, Tatiana, who is 8, Ellie, who is 5. Originally from Michigan. I moved here when I was 15 with my parents and moved back to Michigan. I just recently moved back about 3 years ago. I'm engaged to a retired Army sergeant. We have 4 Chihuahuas. This one is Beanie Bear. He's a Chihuahua Terrier. We have Daisy Mae. Beanie and Daisy are litter mates. We just recently rescued 2 6-month-old Chihuahuas who are brothers, Jamie and Chomp. We go to Michigan about once a year to visit our 2 youngest, and our youngest grandbaby. I am in school currently full-time. I work at the UAF financial aid office. I enjoy my job. I enjoy the people I work with. I enjoy helping students. I love living in Alaska. I love the people that I come across in Alaska. My 2 stepsisters are Inupiaq, and they dance. They are also involved in the wheel, Miss Wheel. They have done that their whole life. I look forward to the people I meet in this class, and I look forward to the things that I can learn that I don't already know about Alaska.